Hi, David here, and now I've shown you how to implement the Facebook comments into your WordPress blog manually. I'll also introduce you to a plugin called SEO Facebook Comments, which is another alternative to implementing Facebook comments on your WordPress blog. So simply, I've downloaded the Facebook comments plugin already, so I'm just going to activate that. And so now I've activated it, it brings up this little icon down here. So all I need to do is click onto that, and it has general configuration here. If you need help, I even give you help here if you haven't created your own app yet, which I've already shown you to do in the previous section. So we need our Apple ID. So to get that, we go over to the Facebook developers.facebook.com, or if you've still got the code that we used before in the previous manual, you'll have it there if you followed that session. Otherwise, you just go into this app, and the app ID or the app key will be there. Now, I'm showing you this on this video because it's purely a test app, and I'll be deleting it when I've finished this training session. But normally, you would keep this completely secret. You wouldn't show this app ID or your app secret to anybody. Okay, so you don't want anyone to have access to your apps, of course. So select that, copy that, paste it in there, and just make sure there's no spaces too. Sometimes when you copy and paste these things, you get little spaces at the front and at the tail. Go back now, and we just need to get the app secret, which is this bit of code here, or this sequence of numbers and letters. Copy that, paste that there. Now your admin ID, this is something that could be a little bit unfamiliar to you. It's not your actual user login details for Facebook. It's your Facebook user ID. And to get that, they've created a lovely little link here that shows you how to go over and get it. So you can follow that link. It'll take you to a page like this, and then it just gives you a link to go to get that, which is this link here. For my privacy purposes, I'm going to have to blur mine out because it's my private ID. Again, you don't want this to be seen, your private ID to be seen by anybody, but I'm just going to show you where to get it so you can get it and activate your plugin. So all you do here is you copy that, go back here, and paste it in here. And that's the general configuration. There's another share option. You can select if people want to share this link for this. It's basically I think for promoting this plugin. And then we go down here to comment config. You can add open graph tags, number of posts, so you can set the number of comments that you want. I didn't create that as an option in the previous manual way, but this allows you to do that if you want to. You can select the width, and I showed you how to figure that out by using that Measure It plugin, and your color scheme, and you can have auto approve comments here, or you can check it if you want your Facebook comments to be auto approved, or leave it unchecked if you want each comment to be approved. I tend to want my comments to be auto approved because it is Facebook, and the likelihood of anyone spamming you through a Facebook comment is unlikely or pretty outright stupid, because if Facebook see that people are doing this under their ID, they'll just shut their account down. So that's why I actually really like to use Facebook comments as a commenting platform, because for me it gets rid of the spammy comments. It stops people using pseudonyms and these email addresses that are fake to create comments on your blog. So I know there's spam filters and things like that that can help out, but I know that if I'm using Facebook comments and I get a comment, I like the idea of someone standing by their comment. And with Facebook, you can't really hide who you are. You can't put in a fake ID, because ultimately it will get found out and your account will be shut down. So all you need to do that. You can hide comments if you want, and quite simply just save changes. And if I go into the blog here, where is it, sample page, I'll just refresh that. And there we have that comment box sitting in there. And that's pretty much it. It all operates the same, moderator view, which I've previously shown you. But this is just a simpler way to do it. The reason I showed you the manual way, because when I did that originally, there wasn't these plugins available, or the ones that were available were pretty ordinary. So for thoroughness, I wanted to show you both options, so you could make a choice. If the plugin doesn't work out for you, you've got the way of doing it manually. Okay, that's it from me, and I'll talk to you soon.